Okay, we've made it all the way to Module 12. Now, as I mentioned in Module 9, if you remember, my closest brush with severe weather was a tornado that tore through my neighborhood back in April of 2014. In that case, the weather came to me. But back in 2008, when I was working as assistant weather editor for USA Today, I actually went to where the weather was, as I was sent to New Orleans by my editors to cover Hurricane Gustav for the paper and website. Fearing a repeat of the Hurricane Katrina disaster of 2005, the city had been evacuated by the time I arrived. Now, fortunately for me and for the city's residents, the storm weakened and jogged to the west as it approached the Louisiana coastline. One of the main themes from Module 11 was that the Earth's general circulation, which gives rise to the relatively stable patterns of weather in the tropics, is really just an attempt to balance uneven heating in the Earth system. Tropical cyclones, and that's a catch-all term that includes hurricanes as well as typhoons, are really just another natural mechanism serving to correct this imbalance. In this module, you'll learn more about where, when, and how tropical cyclones form, as well as why they receive names, and why some of these names, such as Katrina and Gustav, are retired. Now, given that they are called tropical cyclones, it's pretty clear that these heat engines get their fuel from warm tropical waters. However, that is a necessary but not a sufficient ingredient for tropical cyclone formation. Check out some of the other ingredients such as mid-level moisture as well, and as well as make sure you understand why tropical cyclones do not form on or really near the equator. Once you fully understand how a tropical cyclone forms, pay attention to the section on page 486 that describes conditional instability of the second kind, CISK, C-I-S-K for short. That's a feedback mechanism that allows for tropical cyclone intensification. By better understanding such feedback mechanisms, coupled with improved observations from satellites, buoys, and Hurricane Hunter aircraft, meteorologists can improve strength and track forecasts. The module wraps up with a discussion of the dangers of landfalling tropical cyclones, including storm surge, inland flooding, and tornadoes.